And we're back, live action. It's like, let me stop. Hi gorgeous, my name is Joanna and welcome to my channel. Today I am beyond excited. I am excited because I am so impatient and weeks turn into years for me. When I really want something and I'm waiting for something to come in the mail, it takes forever. And I know I'm not the only one, and I know you could definitely relate to that. But today my package finally came. It came about, I'll say, 20 minutes ago, and I can't wait no longer. I was gonna go grab some lunch right now, but I'm gonna grab lunch afterwards because I just can't wait that long. But anyways, the package that finally came in is my Walmart baby registry. And in case you guys are not familiar with that, once you create a baby registry on Walmart, you get a free little sample box. And who doesn't like free sample box? So this is the box. I never had this box before. I had no idea this even existed. I don't know if this is something new that Walmart is doing, or maybe I just wasn't aware of it, unfortunately. But now I am, and I'm excited, and I'm receiving it, and we're gonna unbox it together. So let's start. I don't have a box cutter, so I'm gonna use my car keys. And I know somebody could relate to me right now. Box is open. Comes with a little plastic. Let's open this up. And this is how the box looks like. So let's open this up. I have no idea what this box consists of, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us. Ooh, I like the stuff so far. So this is what it looks like. It says special delivery, a bundle of joy for you and your little one. Which, you know, I see some good stuff. So we're receiving some disposable nursing pads, 2 of them, and 2 breast milk storage bags. And I know this brand is really good too because I used this brand before for my first child. I nursed him for 18 months. I remember I did use some of the disposable nursing pads. They actually were pretty good. Like, I was really impressed with them. These are pretty good, and this is what it first comes with. Very excited for that. Oh, this is nice. So the next thing that's in here is a little onesie. And it's so tiny. I'm a mother already, and I don't know. I feel like I'm gonna be like a first-time mother again. I'm beyond excited, but this is the little onesie. It's a plain little onesie. This comes in the size newborn. But yeah, this is from the brand Child of Mine, made by Carter. But it actually comes with 2 of them. It's pretty good. The next thing that's in here is from the brand Nano Bebe. I know they do have bottle that's specifically for breastfeeding mothers. I do have them in my registry. Anybody that's watching this, that's coming to my baby shower. Hint, hint. But anyway, it comes with a pacifier. Looks like the normal silicone one. This is for 0 to 3 months. I don't know if my daughter's gonna take this. My son did not take pacifiers at all. I'm gonna try with her and see. I'm not a huge fan of pacifiers, but if she does like it, then she likes it. Oh, cool. It comes with a daytime nursing pad and a nighttime one. It comes with 3 disposable milk storage, so you can store your milk safely. It's good to use this when you want to store your breast milk in the fridge. I believe you could freeze them, but I'm not sure if you could freeze these as well. But I would look that up. So this is pretty neat. I also got a free sample of the dress. Stage 1 newborn. I'm a little iffy about this brand. I don't know exactly what it is, but there's certain chemicals in this brand. I'm gonna look that up. I used it with my firstborn. Everything was fine, and I love the smell of this, but I actually am going to research this up a little bit more. Next things next is the Palmer's Coconut Butter Formula, the massage lotion for stretch marks. And I actually do have a bottle of this that I am currently using right now. I love it. Like, I use this, and I use the Mama Special Blend oil. I use it about 2 to 3 times a day, and anytime I have an itch or anything, I smack that little bad boy on. And this is gonna be pretty good because I'm actually gonna keep this in my purse in case I'm not home and my stomach is itching. I'm gonna smack this little bad boy on my stomach. Oh, cool. This is an Infamil formula for infants. It's the Gentle. It's non-GMO. So I am gonna keep this just in case. I love this. It's the Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Lotion. I don't know about this brand, but I love the way this brand smells. I just love that oatmeal smell. So I'm definitely happy that they received this little sample, and I am going to use it for my daughter as well. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. All this free stuff. Next things next is this Pamper Pure Protection diapers. It comes in a size 2, which is pretty good that it didn't come like in a newborn size. And it comes with 3 of them. I never tried this brand before. It has no bleach, no fragrance, and it claims to have protection for 12 hours. I'm definitely going to give it a try, obviously. I actually like the fact that it comes in a size 2 and not a newborn, because I feel like newborn size don't always fit the baby for a very long time depending on the weight of the baby. The next thing that came in here is the Desitin Maximum Strength. This helped my son so much. Like, this was like magic in a little container. I never used the Maximum Strength, but I know this is a very good diaper cream. Anytime that he did have a rash, I remember placing this wherever his rash was at, it disappeared within like the same day. The next thing that I received is the Dr. Brown Natural Flow. It's the anti-colic. The only thing I did remember was the washing process of them. Like, I remember I used to hate washing these Dr. Brown bottles. These bottles are pretty good though. I can't complain. It just comes with a 1 8-ounce bottle, and it comes with level 1 nipple. The next thing that came in here is the Pamper Sensitive Wipe, and this comes with 6 wipes. You can't go wrong with Pamper wipes. Like, you really can't. Like, I used to use them all the time until I discovered the Walmart brand. I love them, especially the big box that comes with like, what is it, like $13, $12, $14? Like wipes on a budget, and they're actually good, and they didn't bother my son, so hopefully those wipes don't bother. But I am happy that I did receive those. A little prank flick which just has different strollers. It also came with more ointment in here. Came with that. It also came with just another plant fix for the massaging lotion that I did receive. Oh, there's a coupon code. Cool. I love coupons. It's just for the photos. I do use the photo department in Walmart, and this is giving me a coupon code. Buy one 1620 photo canvas and you get 25 4x6 prints, which is pretty good. I'm definitely going to use this. And I also got a coupon for the Infamil formulas. I'm very curious of what's in this envelope. So let's open this up. Oh, this is cute. This is a nice little gift. It says, remember every moment with this keepsake card set. Each card includes exciting milestones and the best item for your baby's growth. We hope they'll make life easier and more fun for you and your little one. Oh, this is cute. So it has like the 1 month, the 2 month. And it's cool because the back of it has a little advertisement for a product. 3 months, 4 months. Oh, this is pretty cute. What else does it have in here after that? 12 months. Oh, look, this is cute. I'm gonna mess up this order. I'm a very organized person, so that'll annoy me later. It says, I walked today, I crawled today, I stood up today, and today it's just blank so you can fill it in for later. Oh, that's really cute. I really like that. I'm definitely going to use this with her. I had the stickers last time, but this is pretty cool. I did want to purchase the blanket that they lay on. It's like a blanket, and then you just change depending on what month. You just change the numbers. But yeah, I really like this box. It came with a lot of things. Like, it came with a bottle, diapers, breast milk storage, pacifier, wipes, lotion, healing ointment, plus the little tiny sample one. Infamil. Walmart. See, this is why I like Walmart. More lotion, laundry detergent, clothes, like baby registry for Walmart definitely killed in this sample box. That's pretty much it. In case you guys are even more interested now, you're going to have a new bundle of joy, I definitely recommend this box. Overall, I'll give this box a 5 stars, like just straight up 5 stars, because I feel like it came with a little bit of everything. Not everything you need for a baby, but it really came with a lot of free samples, and you can't go wrong for free samples. All you have to do is just go to Walmart, go on baby registry, set up your registry, and it does give you the option for this free sample box. If you have any questions or you need help or you just can't figure it out, do leave me a comment or do send me a message. I'm more willing to help you out in case you are a little bit more confused of how to actually go about it. But that's pretty much it. This is everything that came in my little Walmart free sample registry. I'm really excited. It makes me feel even more excited now that I'm gonna have my little bundle of joy coming soon. Let me just shut up because you could just tell that I'm so excited. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell down below so you are notified every time I do upload a new video. And that's pretty much it for this video. So I'll see you again. Bye. Thanks for watching.